Openclaw is an AI agent framework that lets you tell it what to do in plain language, like summarize my unread emails and draft replies, and it figures out the steps and executes tasks for you autonomously. You don't build workflows manually. The agent decides actions based on natural language and its memory of your preferences. n8n takes the opposite approach. It's a visual workflow automation platform where you drag and drop nodes and triggers to build explicit automation flows that run exactly as you defined. It's predictable and designed for structured business logic across APIs and services. Openclaw excels at intuitive conversational automation, no predefined diagrams, just natural instructions, making it great for personal productivity tasks and ad hoc requests. But its autonomy comes with trade-offs: unpredictable behavior, security risks, API key exposure, or malicious skills, and it can struggle with reliability in production unless carefully configured. n8n shines in consistent, repeatable workflows. With 400-plus integrations, strong credential security, audit logs, and deep business automation capabilities, it's ideal for teams and mission-critical processes. The downside? You must plan and build the workflow first, which comes with a learning curve. So which one should you choose? If you want conversational, natural language task automation, Openclaw is exciting and flexible, but use it carefully and secure it properly. If you need reliable, predictable automation across tools and teams, n8n's visual workflows are a safer bet. Comment below what automation you're solving. Smash that like button if this helped, and hit subscribe for more tech breakdowns.